Hello everyone, welcome back. This video tutorial is about page setup and the print, okay, to print large pages in MS Excel. For example, we have this data and we would like to print this data. So we face with problems whenever we are trying to print this data. So we will solve those problems in this video. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, to print this data, this sheet, for that we need to move to print. Okay, to print option, files and print, or we can press Ctrl plus P. Come here to the print. Look at the print. Now we have just 2 4 6 8 columns, okay, and also we right now we can just print 6 columns. So to solve this, let's move to our sheet. So it means that we can print just these columns, okay, just these columns we can print this data, but the data that which is at the right side, so how to print that? Okay, because the page is large, so how we can bring all columns in a sheet to print that? So let's move back again to the print option. The first option for with us is, for example, let's press this page setup. Okay, here, come here to the page setup, or we can just handle that here also. So let's, for example, here we have portrait option. So let's change, okay, the this from portrait orientation to landscape orientation. Okay, this is portrait, let's make it landscape orientation. So after changing to the landscape, so again we face with problems. For example, we have just until average, so let's check it once, until average. So we can print now from this area to this area, it means this data, but again we have 3 columns at the right side. So how to bring them also in our page? So for that, again press Ctrl plus P, and for that now we have another option. Okay, so let's move to the page setup. So in the page setup here, adjust to, okay, so we will just decrease the size. So let's bring it, for example, let's press this lower button, lower icon, make it, for example, 75. Okay, so after making it 75, let's press OK. So what happened? We have now all columns in our sheet. It means we have from a serial number to rank. Okay, rank is the last column with us. So we have all the data in our page now. So this was the first solution that we found, okay, how to bring all columns in our data. So another problem is that whenever we come here down, so down in this sheet we cannot see which one is name, serial number, and marks, total marks, obtained marks, rank. So we can't see the header. So we want, it means that we want to print the header in all pages. So for that, let's go back and press in our data, come here back to page setup, print, page setup, come here to the sheet. So it means that that is disabled. So we will just set that here. Okay, just let's come here to the page layout and come here to the print titles. After coming to the print titles, now at the top we have rows to repeat at top. Okay, it means how many rows you want to repeat them at the top whenever you are printing. Also you can set the columns also, but we will set just the rows. So click here and just select the rows. For example, we want to select these 3 rows. So after selecting those 3 rows, press OK. Now let's move to the front overview. Select it, come here to the second page. See, we have those 3 lines at the top. So it is how we can set up our page and print. And the last option is that whenever you want to just apply the header, okay, header and footer or page number. So just come here and come here to the print, page setup, header and footer. If you would like to apply page number, so for the page number, just come here and we want to apply page number. Okay, so just set that, and it is at the center. Okay, page 1. So let's press OK. See, we have page 1 and page 2. We have printed just the page number. And sometimes we want to print the path of this file. For example, you are printing the data, the sheets, and you want to print the path of that sheet, okay, that you have printed. Whenever you are opening your laptop, so you will see that this file is located at this area. So for that, just come here again to page setup, either in footer. Come here to the footer, we want to print that in the footer. So here we have different options. Okay, so to print the path, just come here down, so we can just see, look at, this is the path of this file, and also down, come here down, so here we can print the page number and also the path, both of them. So we have different options here, page, first page number, then the path. Okay, just select this one and press OK. So we have the page number, then we have the path at the corner. So that is how it looks like. So this is all about the printing option and how to set up page setup and the prints in MS Excel sheet. Okay, to print large pages in Excel. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.